Hello there, this is Howard Paul Shore. We are at El Bosque Chocolate store in Angostura, Neuquen, Argentina. Today is Monday, May the 22nd, 2017. And of course, I'm Howard Paul Shore. I have with me Fabia, Garika, and I have Vanessa, Frasia, who are going to talk about the store and show us around a little bit. So here we go. Vanessa, ¿cuántos años aquí trabajando?
8 años.
8 años. ¿Gusto?
Hermoso.
Mucho chocolate, ¿ah?
Mucho chocolate que hace mi compañero más rico.
Sí, sí. ¿Cuántos varios sabores aquí o chocolate?
Alrededor de 100 sabores.
Bastante, huh?
Sí.
Wow. And you also have helado too.
Sí.
Look at all the helado. Muchos, huh?
Muchos sabores.
Wow, wow. Can I try apple bar for Chicha La Crema? Looks really good. So this is Frasia La Crema, or a la crema. Rico with real fruit inside. Now, I'm going to talk with Fabia and Garika and ask him some questions too, so give me 1 second.
¿Cómo?
Fabian,
Sí.
¿cómo estás?
Bien.
¿Cuántos años tienes aquí trabajando?
7 años trabajando.
Wow. And ¿cuántos años cocina chocolate?
3 años aprendí a hacer chocolate.
Wow.
Hace 3 años estoy elaborando chocolate.
Wow. So tú conoces mucho chocolate, huh?
Sí, bastante.
Wow. So let's see what we have here. We have, can you explicar the chocolates? Look all the chocolates. Explicar. We have mousse maracujá, mousse de limon. We have mascarpone con frutos rojos. We have mousse de menta. Rama leche, amargo, cero leche, which is like cereal. We have granola leche. I mean, there are so many different types of chocolate here. You just cannot get bored here. Anyway, once again, we are at the famous El Bosque Chocolate store in Angostura, Neuquen, Argentina on Monday, May the 22nd, 2017. And I'm Howard Paul Shore. I want to personally thank Fabia, Garika, and Vanessa, Frasia for showing me around and for letting me try some of their chocolates and ice cream. Thank you very much. Come and visit. Have a great day. Bye-bye.